Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure core prerequisites are met, updates installed, a restart done, and you have a quick backup. Once done, run System File Checker from an elevated command prompt, type sfc/scano, and let it verify system integrity. This step fixes corrupted system files that often block the security app from launching. Make sure to keep the command prompt open until it completes. This avoids interrupting repairs and gives you immediate results to act on next. Next, focus on repair of app components and services that the security app depends on. First, reset the Windows Security app from App's advanced options. This clears app-level faults. Then run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health from an elevated command prompt to repair the component store. This often resolves deeper corruption. Once dism finishes, restart the Windows Security Service and the Windows Management Instrumentation Service so the app can query system health. If you see errors, note them for the final troubleshooting step. Finally, apply a full reboot and attempt to open Windows Security. Many fixes require a restart to take hold. If the app still fails, create a new local administrator account and try launching from that profile to determine if your user profile is corrupted. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for specific error codes. Then perform a Windows repair install. Keep files and apps as a last step to restore system components without full reinstall. One key tip: use Event Viewer error text when contacting support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.